Dr. Brad Conder here, and one of the questions that I've been getting a lot this month is why does my back hurt when I bend over? And there's no easy answer per se, but there's a couple of things that I'm going to really look at whenever you're having this problem. So some common complaints I'll get is that it hurts when I go to put on my shoes, when I go to put on my pants, when I go to actually stand up from sitting down. And so when we're looking at this problem as far as bending over when you have pain, what we're really concerned about is two main things, whether it's a disc problem or a joint problem. Now, oftentimes you can have nerve-related issues and muscle-related issues as well, but a lot of times it's the joints and the discs and how they're working from a biomechanical standpoint. And so what tends to happen is that most people actually have this injury more when they have postural positions. So they're going to sit a lot during the day, they're going to do a lot of standing in one place, and although they may not have one particular mechanism why this happens, that's usually what causes it. So typically we're looking at joint and disc problems. Now the hard part is trying to figure out which one it is, and that's something that we're here to figure out as far as like why that is. Oftentimes we can do simple tests to kind of see what's causing more of the problem, a joint or a disc, and also give you a way to get that better. Our first recommendation usually is when someone's having that problem is to make sure that you're putting ice on it on a daily basis, because a lot of times the inflammation is going to give your muscles a lot of tension, a lot of tightness, which is going to kind of make the pain worse. So make sure that you're putting ice on it every day. And also making sure that if you are having pain when you bend over, that you're having good mechanics, meaning that you're going to use your legs to bend down and pick something up. Another way that you can kind of help your pain if you're bending over and having pain is making sure that you're doing kind of a lunge position, which you really can't see me, but make sure you're doing kind of a lunge to pick things up or actually reach out. Those things are going to help you when you have pain when you're bending over. So if you're having pain when you're bending over and you don't know exactly why that is, give us a call. We can take a look at it and help you out.